This one is no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. And like this. This one.
You talked to me before? Oh, yeah, I remember you.
Yeah.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
I guess.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
I remember you that I talked to you before, but I forget. Where are you from? What's your name? Can you please tell me again?
My name is Mudo.
Yeah. Mundo. And you are from United States, right?
I'm from where?
America?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you brushing your hair now?
I'm styling my hair. It's already brushed. I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
styling it.
Okay. You have nice hairstyle. Do you know that?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm
Welcome.
trying. We're trying.
I'm saying some tattoos on your body. How many tattoos do you have?
Ooh. Oh,
Yeah.
I got I think I got 10 or 11
Okay.
tattoos.
So can you show me that clearly? I wanna see that.
No, I can't. I can't show you my tattoos.
Please. Okay, see.
See my tattoos
Hey, listen. Please show me.
on my. This one
Yeah.
is
Wow.
see no, see no evil, see no evil, speak no evil, and it's Afrocentric. It's just not colored in yet, but
Is it lion? Is it lion?
huh?
Lion?
No, it's
Dragon?
three women.
Three
You
women.
the three monkeys. Yeah, you got the three monkeys in it. See no evil, hear no
Oh,
evil,
three
speak no
monkeys.
evil.
Yeah.
It's three women with
Okay.
their hair Afrocentric.
Oh, okay.
They got earrings. And this one is speak no evil. That's why she has the hand like this. This one is see no evil. She has her hands like this. And this one is hear no evil. She has her hands like this.
Oh, okay. So today you looking more beautiful than before.
Thank you, thank you.
Welcome.
That's what happens every day.
Oh, really?
Black don't crack. It just get more pretty. As time goes on.
I said, how about your boyfriend?
And I said, how about your girlfriend?
No, hey, listen, I don't have any girlfriend. I'm still single.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't have any girlfriend. But
So what you do for work?
no, I have a little business.
Oh, really? Can you teach me?
Yeah, I can teach you, no problem. You still didn't told me that. How about your boyfriend?
I'm not. What's up, man?
Listen to me.
What's up, man?
I'm asking you that because you're really looking so beautiful.
I know.
Do you like dancing?
Do I like dancing?
Yeah, because you dance a
You
whole
kind of